Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach exercise 6.1 from the chapter Triangles. This is for class 10 students from NCERT syllabus. The topic which we are going to learn is about congruent, similar and non-similar shapes. Let us start with the congruent shape. Two figures having the same shape with the same size. They are called as congruent shapes. Okay, you can see from this given example, the square both are having the same side. Okay, so both are square and both are having the same side. These are called as congruent shape. For example, you can see I am having two different 5 rupee coin. When I place one above the other, it perfectly matches with the other. Then these are the perfect example for congruent shape. So one more example which I can give is this one, playing cards. So as you can see, there are so many number of cards, but when I hold it like this, you can stack like this one above the other, it will look like just one simple card. Okay, so these are the examples for congruent shapes. Now let us discuss similar shapes. What are similar shapes? Same shape. So always remember it should have the same shape with the same or different size. Here congruent, you must have the same size. Okay, whereas in similar, this is the difference. So as you can see from the given example, this is an equilateral triangle with sides 3 centimeter. Now this same equilateral triangle, I have taken the second one with the sides 2 centimeter. Now they are of same shape, but the difference is they differ in the size. Okay, this type of shapes they are called as similar shape. Now you can understand the difference between congruent and similar. Similar may have same size, may not have same size. Okay, now so what are the other important points to note? Their corresponding angles are equal. We know that in a equilateral triangle the angle is 60 degrees. Even though if the triangle is smaller than this, the same angle will be there, that is 60 60 60. So their corresponding angles are always equal. Okay, now their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay, for example, let us take this base 3 centimeter with 2 centimeter, the same for the next corresponding side and this one. So they are having this 3:2 ratio. Then they are called as similar shapes. So these are the three important points you should have in mind about the similar shapes. Now, non-similar shape. Now, here you can see it may be of same shape or different shape. Here it may be of triangle. Here I have taken an example for triangles. It may be a triangle or a square, triangle or a rectangle, anything. Okay, same shape or different shapes. Okay, now next, their corresponding angles are not equal. From this we can see the angle will definitely will be not equal. Now their corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Now, with the help of this information, let us start solving the exercise. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. First question is, all circles are congruent or similar. Let us draw some circles. This is one, next one, and the next one. Okay. Now, you can notice the radius or the diameter are totally different from each other. Let us discuss the condition. Congruent. Congruent means it should have same shape. Yes, it is having same shape. Are they having same size? Definitely they are not same size. Okay. Whereas similar, they are having same shape. Definitely they are circles. Their corresponding angles are equal. Here we don't have angle. Now their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So we can say that definitely the given circle, they are not congruent. So they are similar shapes. They are having same shape with different size. Now let us write the answer. All circles are similar. Now all squares are the same. You can draw any square like this and check your answer. Okay, all are squares but their sizes are different. So definitely they are not congruent. Then what else we have? We have similar. Now the third one. All triangles are similar. Here given option is isosceles or equilateral. As we know, equilateral triangles are similar. Why? Because their corresponding angles will be equal and their corresponding sides will be in a same ratio. Whereas in isosceles triangle, these condition will not satisfy. That's why the right option is equilateral triangle. Okay. Now, fourth one, two polygons with the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. Okay. Now, when here we know that for similar shapes, their corresponding angles will be equal and their corresponding sides will be proportional. So we can write their corresponding angles will be equal. The first one. Okay, and their corresponding sides will be proportional. Now the second question is, give two different examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figures. Okay, now the first example, one is rectangle. Okay, the other example which we can give is circle. One is small and one is large. Okay, so we can write two rectangles of different length and breadth. Next, two circles of different diameter. Now this is for the similar figures. Now let us give example for non-similar figures. We can give one circle and one triangle because both are of different shape. A circle and a triangle. The next example which we can give is a square and a rectangle. Question number 3. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. So first of all, let us check the three conditions. Are they of same shape with different size? Here, check the shape. This is a quadrilateral, four-sided polygon. Again, it's also a quadrilateral, four-sided polygon. Now, their corresponding angles are equal. They should be equal here. Now, we can see this is 90 degrees. Definitely, this is not 90 degrees. So, now the second condition, it is not satisfied. Okay, what about the third one? Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Are they in the same ratio? Yes, 1.5 is to 3, 1.5 is to 3. So all are having the same ratio. The first and third condition is satisfying with the given problem, whereas the second one is not satisfying. So always remember all the three conditions should satisfy for similar shape. From this we can come to the conclusion these two shapes are not similar. So write the reason like this. The sides of the quadrilateral PQRS and ABCD are definitely proportional, but their corresponding angles are not same. Therefore, they are not similar. I hope you must have understood all the problems which I solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.